Okay, so this is the Hamilton T1. This is the transport ventilator you might be using. Power button up in the right corner. In terms of plug-in, you have your plug-in to a power outlet as well as your high pressure oxygen hose. There's no air connection on this one, so for a transport all you require is an oxygen tank. The circuit is coaxial, so there's just one set of tubing inside the other, and then you have your flow sensor tubing as well. If you follow the circuit all the way here, usually preset with a filter on it, and then your this blue thing is your flow sensor. It's pretty simple to use. We'll just wait for it to boot up here. There are hooks on the back of it, so if you want to hook it onto the side of a bed or something for carrying it, it works pretty well for that. Okay, so for modes, it's preset to a volume control mode, but all you do, it's touch screen. Go into modes, there's your volume control. Spontaneous would be your pressure support, so we'll just go volume control. For specific settings, they're on the side here. You touch them, turn the dial, and sort of like the dragger, you push to confirm. It's pretty intuitive. You can set basic settings just from there. If you want more detailed settings, go into controls. You can set your I to E ratio. You can set your flow trigger. Right below controls is your alarm settings, and you set those in the same way, using this and then confirming. Exit out of that, your option is to start ventilation. You can either push the screen or you can confirm by pushing this dial. And that's basically it. So it's going while it's open. You can adjust basic settings. You get your pressure waveform, your volume waveform, as well as your rest rate. That's it.